sound of best unit in the stash. Peace, never found a shit experience like Hendrix. Keep my sound rich, cats ask about the stick. To me they sound a bitch, and my town's a glitch matrix. A catch who ain't make it, I'ma give it as far as you can take it. Try to take the safe way, told you there's a gateway to skinny. Many can find it, but you can climb it. I'm open-minded like a pothead, doing what I gotta do to keep the spot fed. In a climate of block dreads, cornrows, torn souls, warm hoes who've been molested by their uncle. I bundle amongst you cold mother uckers. The world is bitter like baby mothers. Look how far Eldorados and wine bottles drug us. These God and the sun lovers. It's the sun God. It's the sun God. Everywhere's broken glass. Nephew smoking squares, nieces smoking grass. Try not to say shoot around my daughter, she already know the blast. Catching the future, don't know who through the past. It's the year of the snake and the hidden dragon. Niggas is fake like bitches bragging. Listen to the ocean and the stars. Keep my vision in motion like cars. I'm down to earth, at times I feel closer to Mars. The world is yours, I'm hoping it's ours. Some say the gods is crazy. I see God in our baby's child of the sun. I allowed it to raise me from a distance. Niggas tried to appraise me. I'm hard to read like graffiti, so it don't faze me. My days be spent behind dreams sent through the sun. The divine being is sent. It's the sun God.